Bankruptcies by themselves do not remove liens on property. The lien will pass through the bankruptcy unless, as part of the bankruptcy, the attorney files an action to remove the lien. Sometimes this is possible and sometimes it's not possible. The most common situation is where the lien can be removed is where the lien interferes with an exemption that the debtor is entitled to take in his bankruptcy. For example, if the consumer owns a house worth $100,000 and his mortgage is $80,000, the creditor may have a lien for $10,000 on the house, we'll say. The bankruptcy attorney could remove that lien. The reason for this is that the $80,000 mortgage plus the $20,000 equity exemption for the debtor equals the full value of the house, $100,000. Therefore, the $10,000 lien interferes with the exemption and can be removed from the property in the bankruptcy. Bankruptcy attorneys typically charge an additional fee for removing liens. Liens can be removed in both Chapter 7 and in Chapter 13 bankruptcies.